Hey guys, here's some gameplay with my Noveske N4 GBBR MWS by Double Eagle and my Umarex Glock 19X. I've outfitted my Noveske N4 with a Victo Optics LPVO, an EMG Guardian mid-length suppressor, and an Olight Odin. Let me know in the comments if you ever had your airsoft gun explode. I hope you enjoy the video.
Oh, you have a night vision recording? Or just...
Nah, it's just regular, but I got the light, so.
Hey, well, that's cool. I wish I brought my GoPro. It's
good to show everybody on Instagram because they're just like, what the fuck are you doing?
Hey, what's that really cool guy in
Yeah. Who's that virgin who's shooting people with balls?
Me?
Hello. I'm gonna.
I'm not liking these flashlights. They're gonna like my position.
Good trade. Huh?
One's right in that box next to the tower, like the window
Next to the tower? Like where? Like right?
That box. You see that big wooden box right here?
I think so. This one? Oh yeah. I saw him call out though.
Around, bro. That shit hurt my ass.
Gotcha. Fuck. Am I giving Sigma?
Huh?
Am I giving Sigma?
Yeah.
Okay. How you doing? They're all left side, I think. Man, am I recording?
Yeah.
Ready?
They're looking at us from over there.
Fuck. Oh, fuck, hit.
That's quite big.
Fuck. What do we got in here? No mystery. think it's not gonna be tough. Oh, fuck. I like your nails.
Thank you.
No way, I got it. Damn. What'd you do to your shit? Weld it? Oh, sick.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I like that engraving too. Who did you get that laser engraved?
Actually, the guy I bought off did that.
Oh, okay. This is nice, man. Am I recording?
Yes.
Cause I don't feel like I did it right the first time.
Fuck! Fucking shit, what the fuck? Fuck me. Fuck me, bro. I swear to God. Fuck me, bro. Fuck this guy. Me? Yeah, it keeps exploding. I don't know what the fuck.
Oh, that's you. You got like propane in there.
Oh, that's the issue. We're good? I guess we are pistoling this game. Yeah. Let's go. Middle, fuck. How many fucking times, bro? Fuck. I'm hitting you, bro. Fuck that guy.
Is that you? What now?
I was shooting you, sorry.
Oh, okay. I was like, damn, why are you shooting?
Oh no. The problem is I can't hit check it off.
Hold on, gay. Hold on, gay.
Yeah, the video's almost over, so here's a sneak peek of the next one. If you enjoyed the video, I mean, I'm single. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.